something really exciting. I'm making a cake which is very simple and easy to make. There's nothing fancy about this cake, but yes, I'm sure you're gonna love the taste. And if you have any kids at your home, make this for them, and you know they'll definitely love it. The ingredients which I'm using are also easily available, so you don't have to go to any of the supermarket to get it. It's easily available in your nearby stores. And yes, I really hope that everyone is being super safe, taking care of each other. And so let's get started. So these are the ingredients which I'm using. So this is cocoa powder, this is refined flour, this is baking powder, melted butter, powdered sugar, milk, and Dairy Milk Silk Hazelnut. You can also use any other chocolate flavor which you like. I'm using this cake mold for my cake, but if you don't have this cake mold, then you can use any of the mug which is accessible to microwave. I'm starting with 3 tablespoons of refined flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of butter which is melted, and half a cup of milk. Take room temperature milk and whisk it properly to avoid lumps. If you feel that the batter is really dry, then you can add a little bit of more milk. Don't add too much because we don't want our batter to be really runny. Our batter should be really smooth. Now I'll start buttering the cake mold from all the sides, and then I'll transfer my batter in the mold. Fill the mold half, don't top it over, because if you'll top it over, then while baking the cake will come out of the mold. Now I'll bake the cake for 2.5 minutes in the microwave. If you are using the mug, then also the time will be the same, 2.5 minutes. It will look like this, and to check whether the cake is cooked or not, in the center insert a knife, and if there is nothing, that means it's cooked. Let's make the chocolate layer now. So I'll break down the chocolate pieces and add a little bit of milk and microwave it for a minute. Don't microwave it for 2 minutes or more, otherwise the chocolate will get burnt. And then I'll mix it properly once it's done, and it will look like this. Looks like a glaze to me. Now I'll demold my cake by putting the fork on the sides. This is the easy way. Now I'll tap it on the top so that the cake can demold properly. Like this, it's ready. So I'll be putting chocolate layer on top, but what you can do is also that you can put maybe peanut butter on top, and then you can make one more sponge of like this, and then you can put it on top. That will be like a cake, naked cake. So now I'll spread the chocolate layer evenly on all the sides, and I'll garnish it with chopped almonds, and it's ready. We're done making with the cake, so here it is. My family has already eaten it. It was so tempted. So here it is. As you can see, it's really fluffy and it's really soft. So if you take a bite, it's really soft. It just melts in your mouth. So do make it for your family and also for your kids. It's really easy. And if you have anything, please comment below the video and I'll surely answer to those comments. And also thank you so much for showing so much of love every day and supporting me for the video. It's really motivating me, and keep showing the same love and support. Also please like, share and subscribe if you haven't, and yes, please share it with your friends and family, share it with everyone. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe. Bye.